guys, what's up? I'm back and today I have a YesStyle haul. So it's like back to school season, everyone's probably already in school and I did some damage for this upcoming school year and I am super excited. I just got my package today. I actually forgot that I ordered them and I don't remember what I ordered, so I'm gonna go over all of these items with you guys and I'll do a try on for it. So without further ado, let's get started. So as I'm looking at all my clothes that I ordered, I realized I ordered absolutely no color. I only ordered like color as in cream and everything else is black and white. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is by the brand Chew. I have actually never ordered anything from Chew before, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, so it looks like this. It's a black sweatshirt crop top kind of vibe, but the back is very cool. It's like lacy on the back and has these strings across it. So I ordered, for this haul, I ordered quite a lot of basics because I'm all about basics. I only wear like simple things and I think it's easy for me to dress up if I'm going to classes. So yeah, this is from Chew and I believe this is one size. Okay, so I'm wearing all black and black, so it might be hard to see. But this shirt is actually kind of uncomfortable because you see that back here, it's all like empty and it's cute with like a cute bralette and stuff, but I just feel so like empty here. The next thing I see is a white blouse and it looks like this. So I don't know how I feel about it. So they have buttons on the side like so. To me, it looks very sheer. It's quite sheer. You guys could see my hand through this. Anyways, I think I bought this for it to go with something. Let me see. I ordered dress with it, so let me show you the dress. It looks like this. It's a strappy, very deep V dress. So I was like kind of scared that it would be really short, but they have shorts underneath this dress and I think it would be super cute, especially now because like a transition from summer to fall. It might be cute with like leather jacket or even a blazer. So yeah, I can't wait to try these on. The next thing I got is actually another basic. It's a black skirt. Honestly, I just ordered one because I was in need of skirts. I've gained a lot of weight, honestly, since freshman year, and I don't fit into a majority of my clothes. And I think like these skirts are very basic to have, and it honestly goes with anything, like the blouse that I just bought, or you know, the black sweatshirt that I showed you earlier from Chew. Maybe that would go together. So yeah, I think it's a great simple basic and I believe this was like only $10. I'll have everything linked down below. Next up, our only colored thing out of this entire haul. So it is this shirt, sweatshirt looking shirt. I believe this is more of like a one shoulder / off shoulder top. Problem is I don't remember ordering it, nor this color. I have never worn colors like this. It's very like tan beigey color, almond. I don't know how to describe it. The material is very weird. It's more of like a swimsuit, like slippery material and cotton mixed. Okay, so update on the shirt. It's actually so comfortable. I'm not sure if the color suits me though, but it is absolutely comfortable. Next up, I believe I've got an off-shoulder top. Yes, I got a white off-shoulder blouse and the sleeves are very cool because they have a flouncy, elasticy material detail. And I have something like this, but it is so tight that like my shoulder hurts by the end of the day. I'm not even kidding you. And this one has more stretch and I believe this is one size. I mean, like, you can never go wrong with these. Next up, I'm kind of confused. It is a blouse that I ordered. It's gonna be very hard to show on the camera, so I'll have to do a try on, but it looks like this. It has a bunch of flounce in the front. The material is really nice. It's like actually on the quite like thick side, and so it's not sheer. And I believe, honestly, out of all the things I got, I think this is the most expensive item I've gotten. Usually when I order stuff from YesStyle, I try to stay under $15 for each piece. and I believe that it hit 15 mark. This hit $15 mark. Next up is from Wang Wang. Honestly, I feel like out of all my YesStyle hauls so far, this is the most successful one, I want to say. Although I haven't tried that on anything yet, because I bought all the basics and things I normally would actually wear. Maybe it's not so much of a failure this time, which I'm super happy about. But anyways, and next up, I got something very similar to the black sweatshirt from Chew. I got it in white, obviously. But what's cool is that on the side of the shirt, they have a, like a, what do you call this again? Like a tie up. I forgot the term for it, but it looks like this. You can scrunch up both sides to it. So yeah, another basic top, but I think it'll be really cute with like boyfriend jeans. I can't live without boyfriend and like basic shirts. Like that's all I wear to school, so it will be perfect for that occasion. And yeah, I think it'll be pretty cute. Oh my god. Guys, the last item I got, which I completely forgot that I even ordered, looks like this. It's a white ribbed tank top. It's not cropped, but it's a tank top and it has ribbed details you guys can see. What's so funny is, look at this. It says Zara on it. But I was gonna wear this with like my shorts or like boyfriend jeans, tuck it in, wear a nice belt, and it's already a look. It's super easy, and right now it's like kind of hot here but also kind of chilly inside, so this type of material might be good for inside and outside, who knows. And if you're wearing a black t-shirt, you could wear this on top of it. It will be a cute outfit. Alright, so that was it for my haul. I hope you guys liked it. It was a small haul, but I think this was my favorite haul of all time. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!